whether it's the government that could say, we're going to cancel your contract to the benefit of the government, or if I just don't want to do it anymore, I can submit a paper or a letter and say, I want to cancel this contract to the benefit of the government. I think we talked about a park cleaning contract, we did. And, sometimes, these contracts are so remote, it's hard to get employees. It's hard to get subcontractors to do it. It's hard to say, but you can't always count on people.
Yeah.
So, but like I said, I mean, we've done park cleaning. You name it, we picked up trash. Porta potties. One of the things too is I don't think I mentioned to you, but one of the things that do make money, really good money, are kits. Whether it's a paint kits, KITS.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So the government employees on military bases or government facilities, they don't like to put things together.